In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on LinkedIn. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into LinkedIn, then go ahead and start writing your post. So for this post, I'm just going to write, hello, this is an example. And all we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and make the word example bold. So what we're going to be doing from here is we're actually going to go ahead and copy the word like so. Then we're going to go ahead and open up Google Docs, which is a free platform that Google does provide. So let's go ahead and press on this option over here that says Docs, just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and press on a blank document. Then we're going to go ahead and paste it like so. Then we're going to go ahead and select on it and then press on this button over here that says bold, just like so. And now the text will be bold. Now from here, all you need to do is just copy the text again, head back over to LinkedIn, and then replace this example with the example that is bold. And as you're able to tell, it actually didn't make the text bold, which is honestly pretty cool. And now you can go ahead and write in bold on LinkedIn. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.